If you're tired of learning pointless and ineffective strategies that don't bring you any good results, all you need to do is watch this video until the end. I'm going to explain a very useful, simple, and practical strategy for you, so you won't need any other strategies anymore. So, let's get started on the chart. First, choose your symbol and then set your time frame to 15 minutes. After that, go to the indicator tab and type Trend Trader Strategy in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add the first indicator to the chart. As you can see, this indicator is a bit messy and needs to be organized. So go to its settings and make the necessary changes to make it suitable for our strategy. Now, I should explain this indicator completely. As you can see, this indicator consists of a line, which is very important for us, and we can use it to find very good points to enter the trade. When the candles cross this line from above to below, the candles turn red at these points, indicating that we can enter a sell trade. On the other hand, when the candles cross this line from below to above, the candles turn green, indicating that we can enter a buy trade and make good profits. However, you should be aware that in some points, this indicator may not provide good entry points and confuse you. To avoid confusion, we need to add a second indicator to the chart. So go to the indicator tab again and search for market bias. Find it and click on it to add it to the chart. Go to the settings of this indicator and make the necessary changes, just like I did. Always make sure to make these changes correctly. As you can see, this indicator also consists of a main line that helps us pay attention to our entry into trades and increase our win rate. When the price candles are below this line, the line turns red, indicating a downtrend. At these points, we can look for sell positions. And when the price candles are above this line, the line turns green, indicating an uptrend. At these points, we can look for buy positions and make good profits. Now, before I teach how to trade using this strategy, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done. Also, please like this video and share your thoughts about it in the comments. Let's start with a buy order. First, we need to look for a bullish breakout, which means that the candles have crossed the trend trader indicator line from below to above. Then we need to check the market bias indicator and make sure that we are in an uptrend and this indicator is green. The candles should also be above this line. Once everything is in place, we have found a suitable entry point. We set our stop loss slightly below the last swing low. For take profit, we can consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For sell order, we need to look for a bearish breakout, which means that the candles have crossed the trend trader indicator line from above to below and turned red. Then we check the market bias indicator and make sure that we are in a downtrend. Once everything is in place, we have found a suitable entry point. We set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. For take profit, we can consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. As you can see, this strategy is very easy, and with the explanations I have provided, you can easily learn it without any specific knowledge. You can achieve good profits by just being careful and sticking to the rules of the strategy. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay informed of the new videos I upload and watch them. Goodbye until the next video.